Hello student, in today's lecture we have to study modification in post-harvest characteristics. After harvesting, there must be some diseases are observed due to pests, then bruising on soft fruits, then vegetables. Also, the heat and cold storage. Due to storage, also some diseases are observed. Their problems are observed. Over ripeness. Over ripening, the food fruit wall becomes damaged. Then loss of flavors and odors. Example of this, that is flower sour tomato variety. In this tomato variety, polygalactouronase enzyme breaks down the cell wall constituent pectin, and it leads to breaking down of this fruit wall during ripening, and this fruit become easily damaged. So for this, a addition of antisense genes takes place, and due to this the food becomes fresh and it remain longer fresh. So this is a variety of tomato, flower sour tomato variety. Next to this, we have to study plants as factories. You know that due to transgenic plants, many biochemicals are formed, which are these: starch, sugar, lipids, proteins, perfumes, adhesive compounds are formed, then biodegradable plastic and renewable energy as replace of fossil fuels are formed due to transgenic plants. Then also some products are formed, that is biopharmaceutical products are also formed, which are these are proteins, hormones, amino acids, antibodies, enzymes are formed due to transgenic plants. Also some hormones are also produced due to transgenic plants due to gene transfer. So which are these? That is human growth hormone with gene inserted into chloroplast DNA of tobacco plants. Then second is humanized antibodies are produced against HIV, that is against the AIDS. Next disease, that is herpes simplex virus, the cause of cold sores. Means in this disease occurs, pimples are formed, rashes are formed, and this disease mainly occurs in genital organ or due to mouth to mouth face contact. Then protein antigen can be used in vaccines. For example, patient sufficient anti-lymphoma. Then beta cells lymphomas are clones of malignant beta cells, expressing on their surface a unique antibody molecule. Then a super glue is also produced by tobacco plants. Super glue means adhesive substance, means it is a strong substance, so it is called as a super glue. It is produced as a adhesive substance. So this super glue produced by tobacco plants with genes encoding for adhesive proteins. Due to this, the mussels are stick to the rock. म्हणजे bivalve like animals, these are attached to the rocks, and Also, some biological glue is used to repair body during surgery. Then transgenic plants containing oil encoding gene from marine algae produces the oil that has nutritional value similar to cod liver oil. Then plants also produces anti-malarial drug, and what is the name of this? Artemisinin. Then the second variety, that is genetically modified opium poppy. आपको असं म्हटलं तर opium poppy to produce more powerful painkillers are formed due to these opium plants. So these are the some of these proteins which are produced by gene transfer. Then transgenic plants which are used for producing edible vaccines. So which are the transgenic plants are used? These are potato, tomatoes, bananas, alfalfa, and some of the cereals are used to produce food proposed for edible vaccine. The next point we have to study, that is transgenic animals. These transgenic animals, which are the transgenic animals, are produced by recombinant DNA technology. These are mice, rat, rabbit, pigs, pork, fish, then sheep, cow. These are the animals produced by rDNA technology. First, we have to study the applications of biotechnology. So see which are the applications of biotechnology. We have to study one by one. See first in medical research, second one in toxicology, third in mammalian developed genetics, fourth one in molecular biology, fifth one in pharmaceutical industry. Next, it is also used in biotechnology. Next, that is different growth hormones are produced. Then last, it is also used as xenografting. So first, that is in medical research. In medical research, these transgenic animals are used to identify specific factors. You know that for some diseases, specific factors are required. You know that hemophilia, in this factor 8 and factor 9 is required. So here, to identify specific factor by introducing transgene. Second, in toxicology, that is responsive test animals. You know that in environment there are some carcinogens, there may be some allergic substances, some substances are produced, some chemicals are there. So to test the animals, which are the animals are useful animals or harmful animals. In mammalian developmental genetics, for developmental genetics, mostly animal used are mice. Mice are specially used to identify different genetical diseases like cancer. Then in molecular biology, you know that in molecular biology, rDNA technology, there may be alteration of gene takes place. So there is regulation and gene expression takes place. So there is change in specific genetic material as a whole animal. In the pharmaceutical industries, in pharmaceutical industry, formation of different proteins. You know that different proteins are produced by biotechnology, means rDNA technology. They may be interferon, erythropoietin, formation of red blood cells, may be formation of insulin, vaccine. Different vaccines are produced against rabies, measles. So these are the different proteins are produced by rDNA technology. Drug formation. Drugs are formed by this rDNA technology and the checking of the efficiency of product. Next to this, in biotechnology. In biotechnology, I already told you different specific proteins are produced. There may be tumor inducing protein, that is tissue plasminogen factor, then hormones, relaxin, then erythropoietin, insulin hormone, urokinase, which is used against the heart attack. Different vaccines are produced by means of this technology. Then genetically engineered hormones are also used to increase meat production, to increase milk yield, then milk quality. It also used in aquaculture, rearing of fishes, molluscs. Then this animal biotechnology is also used in xenografting. In case of xenografting, there is transfer of foreign gene from a one species to another species, or maybe transfer of cell, organ, tissue from one species to another species takes place. It is called as xenografting. Means here the pigs are used for heart transplantation. This is the example of xenografting. So okay.